Today, van life brings us to
salmon and creeks,
apples and orchards,
and grapes and wineries.
There's also some time for golfing and a little walking on the beach.
Like my new van, Wayne?
Yeah, I like your new van. Mooch stocking in Lake Country, BC.
Oh, that is your
Going. Looks like they stopped for lunch. Who knows?
Yeah. Little secluded spot.
Yeah. And are the fish supposed to get up there?
We'll find another hike. This one's not much of a hike. I wonder if they stopped for lunch over here.
So I'm not sure where the salmon should go next,
Well, I'm not sure if this is them.
or if this is the end of the river for them. We are at Rose Hill Orchard with Alvin and Val, who volunteer here and do some work. It's where their son worked all summer. And we are loving the look of this place. It's small and unassuming from the outside, but wow, the variety of apples and this cute little kitchen where baked goods happen and people can stop by and have their lunches here. And here we are, wandering through the orchard. Unbelievable. Just so it's a beautiful sunny day to be out here and fun looking around. And of course, Wade will want his Honey Crisps and I'll want my Macintoshes. We've come to check out the Grey Monk Winery here in Lake Country. Well, we picked up our samples of wine here from the Grey Monk Winery, and just loving being on a sunny day here in these beautiful yards. It's a great place to visit.
Sometimes when your wife is shopping, you just have to stop and enjoy the peaceful things in life. So you take off the mask, you leave the store, and you come down to this. Golfing Shadow Ridge with this guy.
Hi, guys. On. Wade wanted me to video this for all you camper friends. It's 395 yards, putting in a hole in one. Look at that. I guess I'll have to video every shot, eh, Wade?
So can I get your comments on the last shot? Just a nice September day at the beach here in the Okanagan. I just told our friends Alvin and Val that the next time we come to visit, they have to show us all the things that would discourage us from moving here. I don't think there is anything that would discourage us from moving here.
Thanks for watching on the off-ramp. If you have not subscribed, please take the time to check off that little subscription button. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment. We love to hear from you. Camping for summer is over, but we are preparing for our next adventure, a 4 to 5 month van trip through the US, exploring state parks and more. Stay tuned for more details over the next few weeks. Now, we know that plans can change in an instant, so we are holding our plans loosely.